Igbo bụ ekelekwe m ụlọ ọzọ. Nwanne nwoke bụ Maazị Uche Ijegalu m abịakwa n'ọgbọ ọzọ nke taa. Anyị abịakwa butere unu akụkọ anyị ọnụ ma anyị na-akpọ anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Ile anya taa ọ bụrụ sọ mụ na ebe a. Mụ na Maazị a mara mma ifugodas na afọ ji mkpa ogologo ime. Afọ ya bụ Ehis Agbon. Onye a nyawa bụ onye isi n'afọ maka ihe niile anyị na-eme ebe a. Nyawa nwere ụlọ ọrụ a anyị na-arụ ọrụ a. Tata ọ sị ka ọ bịa soro anyị mara ka anyị si eme ife anyị na-eme. Mana ụlọ chọpụta na amara nke anyị na-eme bụ mbụ anyị na-eme ya n'Igbo n'asụsụ Igbo na-eme enyi Igbo emere ya ọzọ. Ya na-emere ọzọ ahụ ụmụazị anyị nọ n'ụlọ ndị ada ama asụsụ asụ ka ha nwere ike ịmụta asụsụ Igbo site na ihe anyị na-eme. Anyị arịọ nne na nna wee sị ha biko ka ha nyere aka na-afụ na ụmụazị a mụtara asụsụ Igbo ka omenala Igbo ghara Chineke. Ya mere anyị ji kpọtara onye isi anyị tata. Mana ihe nke taa akpọrọ m ya ngiri Igbo. Amụrụ m ma ihe na-akpọ ngiri Igbo. Ngiri Igbo gwa isụtụkwa Igbo isụtụkwa Bekee ọdụ ka na-eme. Ọ ya abụ na ị na-asụ asụsụ were akụzi nwatakịrị ife isi ya bịa ịkọrịa ihe bịa bụ na Bekee echi ọ mata ọ na-amụta. Ma tata anyị ga-akọwa ihe na-emegoro n'asụsụ Igbo. Anyị ga-asụ ya sụọ ya na Bekee ka ụmụazị nwere nghọta ihe na-emego. Nke ize anyị mere bụ ihe gbasatara ịsụ asụsụ Igbo ka omenala anyị nyere mere ime gịnị karịkine. Nke Igbo bụ iji weta akwụkwọ aja atụnye aka na ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị ụmụ nke a na-akpọ voters card nye ka anyị kwuru. Mana nke taa anyị asụ ya n'asụsụ Igbo sụkwa ya n'asụsụ Bekee ka ndị niile nọ ma ndị bụ ndị Igbo ma ndị abụọ ndị Igbo ka ha ghọta ihe anyị na-ekwu maka ya. So my dear viewers, I want to thank you for listening. Like I said before, in this platform, ANYI BU NDI IGBO, it is not only Igbo language that will flow because we are talking Nigeria. Like I said before, in Igbo language, I am Maazị Uche Ijegalu. I am standing here with the CEO of Procyon Television and Radio. He is the CEO of this where we are starting today. He actually came around to know what we are doing or see how we are doing it. But the fact that we are speaking Igbo on this channel, that doesn't mean we are not going to interpret it in English language so that those who don't understand it will even know what we are talking about. Like in the first episode, we talked about language. How do you teach your children language? Even the adults who don't understand their language, how do you get them to understand this language? Because whether you like it or not, your language is your identity.
That's true. Your language is your identity. A man that has lost his language has lost his identity. And once you lose your identity, you have lost your person as a being. So, I would always encourage anything that has got to do with the development and growth of the human person. We start with our language, our identity. That's why this program that ANYI BU NDI IGBO is one program that I love so much. It's dear to my heart. And Procyon Media, the mother of Procyon Radio and Procyon Television and Procyon News Online, we do everything. And that's why I'm so excited to be on the program today. I'll tell you what, I've started learning Igbo. Or Igbo, not Igbo. It's white and other people that say Igbo, but it's Igbo. IGBO, Igbo. So when you ask a child that's from the eastern part who is an Igbo person, where are you from? He says it's an Igbo boy. No, it's not an Igbo boy. It's an Igbo boy. I learned that also from him.
Thank you very much, sir. You can see he has learned this. It is not Igbo, but Igbo. It means he has developed interest. I never knew he has taken time to look at what we are doing. As a matter of fact, sir, we have been talking about this before now on the platform. We beg parents, we beg guardians, we beg all adults that this language, not even Igbo language alone, we understood that in Nigeria now, our language is dying, it's lagging behind, which is not supposed to.
No, it's not.
So we are appealing to everybody who understand what he or she is doing. Please, can you sit down and understand that your language means a lot to you? Why not develop time? Why not listen to this program? On a more serious note, in a very short time, we will start developing what we call 1 hour class of Igbo language.
Yeah.
We will look at when the venue is set. We will inform parents Bring your children, maybe on Saturday, for an hour lesson. That's the basics. Like, let me say, Bia. When I say Bia, it is come. Jebe, let's go. Agbon, I am hungry. Oh, what is your name? I am a teacher. This basic thing. Let your children come and learn it. When we are set for that, we will be able to say it on air and put the venue. Then we will come at least an hour. Your child will come home. When you see you say, Nnam no, Nnam dalu, Nnemu dalu, monitor. I've eaten today. All those things are basic things that our children are supposed to know.
And you also know one other thing about this. I know that the training facility that will be prepared is one that your children will be comfortable, they'll be secured. And apart from learning the language, how to speak it, they'll teach them the basic way to write it, the alphabet in Igbo. Once they understand the alphabet in Igbo, it means that they are ready and set to take the Igbo language to another level.
That's true. Then the second one we discussed, what we are talking about here today is what we have discussed in first and second episode, the Igbo language.
Yeah.
The second one we discussed, we talked about PVC. What is PVC? It is simply defined as permanent voter card. What is it meant for? It is a ticket. It is a passage that will allow you to vote on an election day. It's just like when you go to the farm without a hoe or cutlass. There is nothing you can do. You can't use your teeth to cut grass. Or you need those apparatus to be able to do those things effectively. On that program, we sat down and appealed to everybody who have got or registered this voter's card to please go out and look for a voter's card. Ensure you have the voter's card, because this voter's card is being shared now on new unit where you register. We understood that a lot of youths are saying that, my business, on that day I'll go and play football. But let me tell you on a more serious note, what we are saying there is that God cannot do to you what you can do for yourself.
Yes.
He cannot come down from heaven and do what you can do for yourself. He has already given you the strength and power. Don't allow anybody to jeopardize your right. I think it is the right time to take our country back. But I am not telling you to go and vote Mr. A or vote Mr. B or vote Mr. C. What you are going to vote is your conscience. Is the candidate of your choice.
And you know one other thing too, why it is very important for most especially our Igbo listeners and viewers to go get their PVC. From research, it has been discovered that the Igbo people are the most diversified tribe in Nigeria. There's no village, no clan, or no locality that you go to that you will not see an Igbo man. Let me also tell you something interesting. When I was growing up as a young man, and I was about to face the world, my father told me that any village you go to, any clan or any locality you go to, when you get there, after greeting them, no matter what time of the day, just ask them, please, where is the house of the Igbo man in this village? And if they say there's no Igbo man, my father said, don't sleep in that village. No matter how late, move on. Because a place where an Igbo man cannot survive, no human being can survive there. So this PVC is extremely important for every Igbo person to get. And just like Uche said, it is our ticket, our pass to electing that person that will properly represent us and our interests. So if you are interested in the growth and development of Nigeria and of your personal and your business, then you must be interested in who the leader of your community and the country is. So go get your PVC.
Finally, can swear in Igbo. Let me speak it in Igbo. Mafugo na mazi a mbụ mazi Ehis. Nnapịa mazi maka na ihe tụwa ịkpọtara Igbo na-atụ ụtọ. Ifugbo n'ife okwu. Ebe ọ bụ na ijere ife onye Igbo, you want to share about maka ndị Igbo bụ enyi Igbo na-atọ ụtọ. So in essence, what I'm saying is that you have heard what he said about the Igbo people. We are Igbos. And that is why this program is called ANYI BU NDI IGBO. Anyị abụrụ ndị Igbo ruo mgbe ebighị ebi n'ihi na Igbo bụ enyi. Biko ebe ọ bụla ị nọ, ị bụrụ nwoke, ị bụrụ nwaanyị, ị bụrụ agbọghọ, ị bụrụ ikoro, ị bụrụ onye okenye, biko gbaa mbọ ka ihe chọta akwụkwọ anyị atụnye aka na ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị nke na-abịa n'ọnwa ọzọ bụ February 25th. Maka na ndị Igbo sokwa eme ngwa eme gịnị eme ọrọdachi. Chukwu amasị n'iwe gbata ma emeere gị ihe kwesịrị imere onwe gị maka na o nyere gị ikike ime ihe kwesịrị ime. Sir, on a final note,
yes.
Generally, to cap it up with everything we have discussed, can you help me talk to our viewer, advise them generally on what to do on this program and what we just talked about last, sir?
All right. So, I will advise and encourage all of our listeners and viewers, most especially our Igbo-speaking listeners and viewers, that one, endeavor to always listen to this program because you get up-to-date information about what's happening, not just in wherever you are residing, but also from home, because we'll be linking up with you, getting reports and stories from home to feature on this program. That's one. Then secondly, for the growth and development of the Igbo culture and tradition, you need to listen to this program all of the time because that's your true identity. Then thirdly, for you or your children or associate or anybody that's interested in learning the Igbo language, it is vitally important for him or her to also listen to this program. Then lastly, just a little reference to the last thing that I talked about. It is important that you get involved in the politics wherever you are. Getting involved in the politics wherever you are does not necessarily mean you come into contest for a position. Join a political party, any one of your choice. We are not going to tell you when to join. Then secondly, be part of it, be part of the trend and all of that. And most importantly, if you're a businessman or woman, patronize Procyon Radio and Television, patronize the program ANYI BU NDI IGBO. Come and advertise your goods and services, and of course, like Uche said, he'll be coming around to meet you in your various places of businesses. When he comes, please accord him all the necessary cooperation so that everything can move on smoothly and you can be on air, both on our radio, our television, and our online newspaper. That's just the bit that I would advise today. Like he said, I am officially receiving the title of Mazi now. That's my starting point to learning the Igbo language.
That's a good one. Thank you very much, sir. Like he said, we are Igbos and we'll continue being Igbos. And the parents all we are Nigerians. This is our country. Yeah. There is nowhere we will go. Especially now we are talking about elections. Go and pick up your voter's card. On a more serious note, if you want to meet us, and if you want to talk to us, if you want to advertise your products, if you want to do something with us that will excel you in one business or the other, Procyon is the answer. You will meet us. If you want to meet us online or you meet us on our website, you get us on www.procyonnews.com.
All right, it's written on the screen there. If you are watching now, you can see it on the screen. www.procyonnews.com. And of course, you can call our phone number. It's also written on the screen there. And for those that are listening to us on radio, it's 0809 4646206. Mazi, maybe next we will also start to do some Igbo language.
Yes.
What's zero in Igbo?
Okilikili can about zero.
Okilikili
Asato is 8. Okilikili Asato. Then 6 is she.
Okay.
7 is Asa. 8 is Asato. 10 is Iri. And so on and so forth. Therefore, if you want to get us, like he said, you get us on 0809 4646206, or you get us on 08036 439671. Biko gbanụ mbọ unu chọrọ ebe anyị nọ, maka na ihe dị anyị mma ga-adị ụnụ mma, maka na asụsụ Igbo dị ụtọ. Ị na-eme ihe a, na-eme ihe a, maka na ndị Igbo sọ anyịkọta mamịrị ọnụ eme gịnị ọgbọ ọfụfụ. Ọ ga-adị mma ịgba mbọ ka ụmụazị gị mụta asụsụ Igbo. Mgbe anyị ga-emepe line na maka ịkụzi asụsụ Igbo, anyị atụ unu ụmụkpa anyị n'ekwentị achọpụta ebe unu nọ. Ị ga-agba mbọ ị na-achapụ ka kpakpando nke egwu. Ị ejisikwa ike ị na-eme ihe ka ọ dị mma ka esi eme ya. You will try your best possible to shine like the star you are. We greet you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
I appreciate you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nigeria,